pleasant overall experiences with anything. We've had contractors in the past over the years, and every step of the way has been, the communication, that's a big part of it. We've been told every step of the way what's coming, what's happening, when to expect it. When we expect something, it's on time. The crew that came in here, I mean, they covered everything. They worked like dogs all day. I mean, these guys worked really, really hard. Polite, professional, showed me, how to operate the windows, took them in, to clean them and whatnot. Took all the dirt with them, except for the dust. I'm doing it. I was just really, really pleased with that. The follow-ups afterwards has been great. Asking how the crew was everything to our expectations, and like I said, the sound factor was something I hadn't expected, how much quieter my house is. But I love the looks of the windows. I can't wait till they come in and finish off the final completion around the inside of the windows. But I recommend these people anyone, because they do like it. And it's a quality product, quality service, and I couldn't be happier.